Managing Director and CEO of Cube 10 Technologies, represented Northeast India at the AI for Developing Countries Forum AIFOD Geneva Summit 2026 held at the United Nations office from August 12 to August 14. As the sole representative from the region, Joyremba joined over 500 delegates from 120 countries to discuss equitable AI growth and digital inclusion. During the summit, Joyremba highlighted the distinct barriers faced by smaller communities like Manipuri, including weak digital infrastructure, a shortage of AI researchers, and a lack of indigenous language data sets. To bridge this divide, he urged international bodies to prioritize small language models (SLMs) over massive global models. He argued that SLMs allow resource-limited regions to participate in the AI revolution while preserving their linguistic and cultural heritage. Joyremba also advocated for regional AI innovation hubs, shared computing infrastructure, and open-source local datasets. Drawing from Cube 10's digital governance initiatives with the government of Manipur, he emphasized that smaller states possess unique strengths such as agility and strong traditional knowledge systems to deploy targeted AI solutions in agriculture, healthcare, and education.